Do you ever wonder why your erections aren't as strong or consistent as they used to be? You might notice it takes longer to get aroused, or sometimes things just don't work the same way anymore. You've probably heard the phrase use it or lose it. And believe it or not, there's real truth behind it. In this video, we'll explore why erections change as you age, what causes it, and how to fix it naturally through simple lifestyle changes backed by science. Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Rina Malik, urologist and men's health specialist. Welcome to the Wellness Hub, your trusted source for health, vitality, and confidence after 35. Here, we talk about real science and practical solutions, not myths or gimmicks. If you're ready to take charge of your energy and performance, make sure to hit that subscribe button. As we age, our bodies naturally go through hormonal, vascular, and neurological changes. Erections rely on blood flow, nerve sensitivity, and testosterone, and all three slowly decline with age. After age 30, testosterone levels drop about 1% per year. Combine that with modern lifestyle habits, poor diet, sitting all day, lack of exercise, and stress, and you've got the perfect storm for erectile changes. Even your cardiovascular health plays a major role. Doctors often say, the penis is the window to the heart. That's because the arteries in the penis are smaller than those in the heart. So blood flow problems often show up there years before heart disease symptoms. So if you're experiencing weaker erections, it might not just be a sexual problem. It could be an early warning sign of something deeper, like poor circulation or metabolic issues. Here's where that phrase, use it or lose it, actually makes sense. When you're younger, your body naturally produces 3 to 5 erections per night while you sleep. These are called nocturnal erections. They keep the penile tissue healthy, flexible, and full of oxygen-rich blood. But if these nighttime erections start to fade, the tissue can lose elasticity and scar over time, a process called fibrosis. Think of it like not stretching your muscles. They stiffen up. So yes, using it, whether through regular sexual activity, stimulation, or even pelvic floor exercises, helps preserve erectile function. The more active your body is sexually and physically, the better your blood flow and hormonal balance stay. One major factor most people overlook is stress. Chronic stress floods your body with cortisol, a hormone that blocks testosterone production and narrows blood vessels. The result? Lower libido and weaker erections. Sleep is another huge factor. During deep REM sleep, testosterone peaks. But if you're constantly tired or scrolling through your phone late into the night, you're robbing your body of this natural boost. And let's talk about lifestyle. Smoking damages blood vessels. Alcohol numbs nerve sensitivity. Processed foods inflame your arteries. Sitting for long hours restricts pelvic circulation. Your erections are literally a mirror of your daily habits. So what can you do to reverse this? Here are 6 science-backed lifestyle changes that actually help restore and maintain erections. 1. Exercise regularly. Cardio like walking, swimming, or cycling improves blood flow and nitric oxide, the molecule that triggers erections. Strength training boosts testosterone naturally. 2. Eat for circulation. Focus on fruits, vegetables, whole grains, nuts, and olive oil. Similar to a Mediterranean diet. Foods like beets, pomegranates, and leafy greens are nitric oxide boosters. 3. Lose excess belly fat. Fat tissue converts testosterone into estrogen. The more you lose, the more your natural testosterone rebounds. 4. Cut back on alcohol and smoking. Even social drinking reduces erectile performance for up to 24 hours. 5. Sleep 7 to 8 hours per night. Good sleep restores hormones and improves morning erections. 6. Train your pelvic floor muscles. Kegel exercises aren't just for women. For men, they strengthen the muscles that control erections and ejaculation. Just squeeze the same muscles you'd use to stop urinating mid-flow. Hold for 5 seconds, relax, repeat 10 times. Certain natural supplements can support circulation and hormone health, but only if used wisely. L-citrulline and L-arginine, Amino acids that help boost nitric oxide. Panax ginseng, often called herbal Viagra, shown to improve erection quality. Zinc and vitamin D, crucial for testosterone and energy levels. Always check with your doctor before starting supplements, especially if you take medications for blood pressure or heart health. Ladies, this applies to you too. Just like men, women rely on healthy blood flow, hormone balance, and nerve sensitivity for sexual function. Regular sexual activity, solo or with a partner, keeps the vaginal tissue elastic and responsive. If dryness or discomfort is an issue, natural lubricants or localized estrogen creams can make a big difference. Remember, staying sexually active at any age supports both physical and emotional well-being for both partners. The truth is simple. Erections don't just disappear with age. They fade because of lifestyle, health, and habits. The good news? Every choice you make, what you eat, how you move, how you rest, can bring your vitality back. It's not about chasing youth. It's about maintaining your body so you can enjoy life fully, at any age. So yes, you can use it and not lose it. Take care of your health, and your confidence will take care of itself. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who might need it. Next week, we'll dive deeper into natural ways to boost testosterone and how to build lasting energy and performance after 40. Stay strong, stay confident, and I'll see you in the next video.